Here's a comprehensive and engaging documentary-style narrative exploring the hypothetical scenario of the moon being destroyed and its impact on Earth. Title: The Moon's Demise, a cataclysmic tale of Earth's fate. Introduction. The Moon, our celestial companion. The Moon has been Earth's steadfast partner for over 4 billion years. It influences our tides, stabilizes our planet's tilt, and has shaped human culture and mythology for millennia. But what if this cosmic dance were suddenly interrupted? Imagine a catastrophic event obliterating the Moon, a rogue asteroid, a deliberate act of destruction, or a collision with another celestial body. What would happen to Earth, its ecosystems, and humanity itself? This thought experiment explores the cascading consequences of such an event, from immediate destruction to long-term planetary upheaval. Chapter 1. The Moon's Destruction, a Cosmic Tragedy. The Moon's sudden annihilation would unleash unimaginable forces. A massive explosion would scatter lunar debris into space. Some fragments would be drawn toward Earth by gravity, raining down as fiery meteorites. Others might form a temporary debris ring, resembling Saturn's iconic rings. The initial impact would be catastrophic. Cities, oceans, and landscapes could be scorched or cratered by falling debris. Global panic would ensue, with governments scrambling to mitigate damage. Satellites and space stations would be at risk, disrupting communication, navigation, and scientific research. Chapter 2. Earth's Tilt and Chaos without a stabilizer. The Moon plays a vital role in stabilizing Earth's axial tilt, which currently oscillates between 22.1 degrees and 24.5 degrees over thousands of years. Without the Moon's gravitational influence, this tilt could vary wildly, potentially reaching extreme angles of 10 degrees or 45 degrees. Such instability would wreak havoc on Earth's climate. Seasons would become unpredictable, with some regions experiencing perpetual winter or blistering heat. Agricultural patterns would collapse, leading to food shortages and mass migrations. Wildlife adapted to stable seasonal cycles would struggle to survive. Chapter 3. The Ocean's Wrath, Tides Gone Awry. The Moon's gravitational pull drives Earth's tides, creating predictable rhythms that influence marine ecosystems. Without the Moon, tidal forces would weaken drastically, becoming solely dependent on the sun. This change would disrupt coastal environments, endangering species that rely on tidal pools and wetlands. Fisheries would collapse, threatening the livelihoods of millions. Additionally, the reduced tidal friction could accelerate Earth's rotation, shortening days by several hours. Chapter 4. A Ringed Earth, Beauty Amid Destruction. Lunar debris trapped in Earth's orbit could form a temporary ring system. While visually stunning, these rings would pose significant risks. High-speed collisions between debris fragments could create showers of meteors, endangering life on Earth. Over time, the rings would disintegrate as particles either re-enter Earth's atmosphere or drift into space. This phase could last centuries, leaving humanity under constant threat from falling debris. Chapter 5. Long-term atmospheric impacts. The Moon's destruction would also impact Earth's atmosphere. Falling lunar debris could release massive amounts of heat, igniting wildfires and releasing greenhouse gases. Ash and soot would darken the skies, triggering a nuclear winter effect. Temperatures would plummet, leading to widespread crop failures and famine. As the debris clears, a period of rapid warming might follow, exacerbating climate change. This volatile cycle could last for decades, challenging humanity's resilience. Chapter 6. Psychological and Cultural Fallout. Beyond the physical consequences, the Moon's absence would leave a deep psychological void. The Moon has inspired countless myths, poems, and scientific discoveries. Its disappearance would alter cultural identities and leave humanity feeling unmoored in the cosmos. Night skies would never be the same, robbing us of the moon's calming presence and its role as a beacon for exploration. Future generations might grow up unaware of its profound influence on human history. Chapter 7. Survival Strategies. Humanity's Response. In the face of such devastation, humanity would need to adapt rapidly. Governments and international organizations would likely implement emergency measures, including debris tracking systems, underground shelters, and global food distribution networks. Advancements in technology, such as asteroid deflection techniques and climate engineering, could become priorities. The crisis might also unite humanity, fostering unprecedented cooperation to ensure our survival. Conclusion. A fragile balance in the universe. The moon's destruction would serve as a stark reminder of Earth's vulnerability in the vastness of space. Our survival depends on understanding and preserving the delicate balances that sustain life. While this scenario is purely hypothetical, it underscores the importance of protecting our cosmic neighborhood. The moon is more than a celestial companion. It's a cornerstone of Earth's stability and a testament to the interconnectedness of our universe. This tale of cosmic catastrophe invites us to reflect on the fragility of life on Earth and the profound role the moon plays in our existence. As we gaze at the moon tonight, let it remind us of the intricate forces that shape our world and the responsibility we have to safeguard our planet and its celestial partners. Word count: 5050.